turkey ribs. Oh my goodness. Hello, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert. I'm super excited to bring you one of the best videos. Actually, today I'm at B&K Smokehouse. This is supposed to be one of the premier new Columbus Smokehouse. They do have these amazing turkey ribs, and I cannot wait to try those ones. And actually, thanks to Carl, because he's a foodie too, and he spotted this spot, and he told me to try it out. They do have a sitting spot back there, so you can enjoy the warm weather over your amazing barbecue, just like right there. And this is the spot itself, B&K Smokehouse. So let's go inside and see what they got for us. B&K Smokehouse on East Main Street. Super excited for these curry greens right here. Perfect. Golden mac and cheese. The highlight of the day. Turkey ribs. Oh my goodness, they're smothered in these sauce. There's no barbecue without a piece of toast. Just as a bonus, I decided to try these chicken wings. Start with the curry greens because they look super appetizing. Cheers. Oh, tastes just like curry greens, but more like homemade, home prepared curry greens. Oh my goodness, they're really good. Piping hot, super hot, and I love me some hot food. So for sure, Smokehouse, B&K Smokehouse, spot to be. I'm about to get on the happy dance right now. Let's shift gears a little bit and go to the mac and cheese. Look at that gooey cheese. Oh, piping hot too, right there. Super cheesy, hot. Oh yeah. It's calling your name. Cheese overload right there, and it just takes you to heaven. Cheers. Oh. Turkey ribs right there. And actually it does look like a rib, but it is a turkey. Oh my God. Will make you sing yourself out of work to come here at B&K Smokehouse. And of course afterwards you'll be like, hey, you know what, I'm not going back to work, just going straight home to take a nap. It's that good. The smokiness, sauce, the tenderness too, and the juiciness can be matched. Actually, I'm not just saying for the sake of just saying, but I think I just found my favorite turkey barbecue spot here in Columbus, Ohio. I'm gonna try to add a little bit of the mac and cheese right there, curry greens right there, a sandwich out of this meal, and voila, right there. All right, fold it. Cheers. Carl, thank you very much for sending me to this spot. I love it. Finale right here. I'm gonna try these wings right here, smothered in the kind of sauce. Look at that. That sauce. Excellent. This thing is juicy beyond comprehension. 10 out of 10. Turkey ribs. These ones really hit home, and the chicken wings summed it up. Wrap it up, take it with me home, reheat it later at night, and of course there goes my dinner. But 100%, this place is worth a shot, worth a try. If you happen to be in Columbus, support local business, support, your neighborhood, and B&K Smokehouse deserves a 10 out of 10 star rating. So thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Till next time, eat more turkey ribs and visit B&K Smokehouse. Cheers.